Hey guys, so let's see if this comes out a lot better. I made another one, but I hated it. So guys, we are going to be graphing inequalities today. We have 4 different graphs that we are going to do. Alright, so please bear with me. Alright, I'm holding a camera and graphing at the same time. So some of my lines may not be straight, but that means your lines are still going to be straight. Alright, so our first graph is y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 5. So you are going to turn on your calculator. That is not on. Click y equals. That is not 2x minus 5. So we're going to click clear, and we want 2x minus 5. I want to... There is what my graph looks like. So boys and girls, because that is what the graph looks like, does not mean that is how you are just going to base off your line. No. This is a Smarty calculator. I lost it. But I want to get my table, so we're going to go to second graph. Here are all these beautiful points, right? That is still, okay, second graph. Use these points. Guys, this calculator does not give you these points for no reason, trust me. So I'm going to put it to the side and I'm going to read off. So my first one is -1, -7. So -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, -5. 7. 1, -3. 2, -1. 3, 1. 4, 1. 4, 3. 5, 5. So now, to figure out which line it is, since this is greater than or equal to, it is going to be a solid line. So again, guys, I can't hold a ruler, but you all should be using rulers. So there is my line. Now I need to test out a point. So 0, 0, I like to use that as my test point because A, it's never on the line, and B, it's just so easy. Plug in 0 for y, so 0 is greater than 2 times 0 for x minus 5. 0 is greater than or equal to -5. Is that true? Yes. So since that statement is true, we want this point in our solution, so we're going to shade above the line. Now, if you are watching this, promise you will get a trick at the end. Now, let's go down to another greater than. Now this one, y is greater than -4. To do these, boys and girls, they are so simple. First off, you go to which axis it is saying. This one is y. I want my y-axis. The point, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what we are doing. So now this is just greater than. So that means it is just a straight dotted line all over -4. Because that's saying whatever x value you have, your y value will automatically be -4. So I have to shade. Y is greater than -4. We're going to shade above my line. All of these points are greater than -4. Now I'm putting this giant S here. That means solution. Trust me, it will be really easy because when you are graphing 2 of them, system of inequalities, you're going to have to put a giant S for that, saying that's your solution where it crosses over. So just get in the hang of it. It doesn't do any harm. Now these two. Y is less than x minus 2. Now go back to your calculator. Click y equals. We don't want that anymore, so clear it. X minus 2. To get to your table, second graph. These are all my points. So I'm going to put this aside so I could graph. So we're going to have, I'm going to move up. -3, -5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's -3, -5. -2, -4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -3, 1, 2, 3, 0, -2, 1, 2, 1, -1, 2, 0, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, and so on. So now since this is, again, it's less than, it is a dotted line. So take your test point. 0, 0 is not in our test point. So we're going to have 0 is less than 0 minus 2. 0 less than -2. False. So we do not want 0, 0 in our answer. We want all of this in our answer. The reason why? Because 0 is not less than -2. So why would I want 0 in my solution? You don't. Now this one. Last one. then your trick. X is less than or equal to 5. So same as y, the y one. Go on your x-axis, go to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are going to draw, now this one, it's equal to. So you are going to just draw a solid line. Ugh, sorry. Now shading, it's less than. So we want all of these to be less. All of these are less. Solution, solution. Now, your trick. So if you look here, these are greater than. If the line is greater than or equal to, boys and girls, you shade above the line. Look at that. Greater than, I'm shading above. Greater than, above. Well, if it's less than or equal to, hello, if this is above, we are shading below. Below. Shade. That says below. I'm going to rewrite that. Below the line. So that is it, kids. Have a good one.